Wythnos yma yn eich ymlaen, mae'n y chwyddwydyr. Hi everyone, this week in your envelope there's a magnifying glass. A dyna be dwi eisiau chi wneud, mynd y gwmpas a sbïo trwy chwyddwydyr i gweld beth chi'n medru gweld. I'd like you to look through your magnifying glasses this week, see what you can see. Right, dwi'n mynd i edrych yn ofalus a wedyn dwi'n mynd i casglu ychydig o pethau. I'm looking carefully. Then I'm going to collect one or two things. Na i dangos i chi wedyn da. I will show you why later. Dwi'n medru gweld blodau bach piws yma. I can see little purple flowers here. Rosemary ydy o, dwi'n meddwl. I think this is rosemary. Dwi'n mynd i mewn rwan i gweld beth arall dwi'n medru gweld trwy chwyddwydyr. I'm going to go back inside to see what else I can see through my magnifying glass. Hi, dwi fewn rwan a dwi eisiau dangos i chi beth dwi eisiau chi trio wneud adra. I'm back inside now. I'm going to show you what I'd like you to try and do. So mae pethau nes I casglu yn yr ardd. These are the things I got in the garden. Trwcha. Dwi'n mynd I roi dŵr yn y potyn rwan. Look, I'm putting some water over the things here. And I'm gen I un arall. Dwi wedi ffindio arthwen. I found a little polar bear. A dwi'n mynd I roi glitter I fewn hefyd. Whoa! Llenwi'r potyn. And to fill the little pot with some water. Beth dwi'n mynd I wneud nesaf ta be? Wel, mae yna rhai dwi wedi wneud. Here sy'n mae'n wneud earlier. Okay. Wedi creu cerflun y rhew. A little ice sculpture. Wow. Efo tinsel a pethau fewn. A wedi wneud siap o cwpan. There's tinsel, and I think there's another little bear in there. Oh, now, Mr. Tumble! Sut ti'n mynd I dod allan? How will you get out of there, Mr. Tumble? Ac un arall. Falle gyda dydd a pethau. Un mawr iawn. Another big one there with daisies and polyanthus a bob math o pethau. Hefyd, mae'n creu patrymau. Makes lots of nice patterns. Dach chi'n medru edrych yn ofalus eto. You can look carefully again. Well, dwi'n edrych ymlaen at gweld eich lluniau. I'm really looking forward to seeing your pictures and your photographs to post. Hey, beth sy'n mynd I digwydd nesaf, Reina? I wonder what will happen to these next. Dwi'n mynd I eistedd yma a watch out. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to watch. Hwyl fawr am y tro. Ta-ta for now.